Okay, 14 and 1 lovers, this is episode 34, top of the second ball, 39-degree cut. Let's get started.
All right, straight pull lovers, the angle that we have on the 6 ball, which is the 6 cut angle, we're going to go into the top of the 10 towards the 7 ball and then back up table. The way to alleviate that is to put a little bit of follow on that, so it's a stun follow shot. You don't want a pure follow or else you'll have too much energy on the cue ball, but a stun follow will sort of put the brakes on the cue, keep you on that half the table so you're not playing a long shot from here. You notice again, we're not lined up with 12/8, we're lined up with 10.5/8. That's on purpose. That's to maintain the same cut angle that we've been dealing with the 6 ball. Okay guys, lots of opportunities here as far as shots are concerned. Pretty wide open table. I'm going to draw back for position on the 8 or the 4 ball. I'm going to play position for the 4 ball. If I don't get there, I'll have the 2. Okay, a little too hard. If I landed perfectly on this combination, I'm tempted to take it. I'm going to play the combination and I'm going to play position on the 11. Okay, I'm not going to play the 11. I have it, but I'm close to the rail, so I'd rather play something else that's a little easier. I'm going to play the 10 ball with inside English, play position for the 1 or the 14. Awkward position. There we go. We got it. Okay, understroke that a little bit. I think that's because I was a little uncomfortable on my cueing. I'm actually going to draw into the 1 instead. It's a little more comfortable stroke, and I know I have a shot if I do that, so let's go ahead and just play it a little safer. Play the 14 and the 5. Guys, I'm going to let my stroke out on this, try to get on this 11. If I don't get there, I'll have the 1 or the 2. But I'd like to get rid of this 11. I like the 9 more as a break shot than the 11. But if I land on the 9, I'll use the 9. Okay, I got on the 11. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. Not sure if I'll have another chance, so I gotta take it now. I'm gonna play the 1 to the 8 or the 2. Okay, looks like I'm playing the 3 instead. Come up for the 7. Take the 8 first. You have to play the 8 first. Now, if I get straight on the 2 or close to straight, I'll be good here. like to have been here, then I could just draw back a little. Now I'm a little off angle on this shot. If I hit this with a stun stroke, I come straight there, and then I can come back, and it'll naturally pick up a little bit of right English from the object ball. So I'm going to do that, guys. This is a little more work, but I think it's the right play here.
Okay, pool players, this concludes episode 34. We hit the top of the second ball, 39-degree cut. Rack opened up pretty well. Pretty easy run out. A little bit hairy at the end, but we managed to pull it out. Hope you guys have a good day or night. Thanks for watching. See you guys next angle.